Hi Mama, ang ganda-ganda ng smile mo dyan. Naghihintay ang Lord sa iyo. At of course, si Papa at ang ating mga family to welcome you.
Always kind, I can't escape you. Still may angels guide your way, every night and every day. And may danger stay away from you, wherever you may roam. Down your stone-cold Canyon Street, may good fortune guide your feet. And may
At least sa mga huling araw mo ay lagi kang masaya at masaya rin kami. So eto yung birthday mo noon na lahat naman kami ay nandito at nag-join sa birthday mo na talagang sorpresa mo dahil hindi mo alam. Nagmamaktul ka nga noon. Pero at the end, masayang masaya ka dahil nga nandito lahat ng iyong family. So we love you, Mama. We always tell you, we love you, Mama. So now, you're with Papa. So enjoy together. At soon, tayong lahat ay magkikita rin.
you are the light in my darkest night. Your love shines like a beacon so bright, through the storms and the trials we face. In your arms I find my safe place. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight. In your embrace I feel so alive. Forever with you my love will survive. Every moment with you is a treasure. In your eyes I find my pleasure. Hand in hand we'll walk the path ahead. With you by my side I have no dread. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any.
Mama, huwag kang mag-alala sa amin dahil lahat ng itinuro mo sa amin ay aming iingatan at ganon din po ang gagawin namin sa aming pamilya. So we love you again, Mama. We love you and goodbye. And thank you for watching.